Now that you know what Easyplayer is, let's see how easy it is to add and configure your own info product. I will show you step by step how to do it in our user-friendly configurator. Ready? Let's go. From our EasyTools homepage, let's just move to the courses page. And this is the place where you have all your Easyplayer projects. Those don't have to be courses. If you want to sell, for example, a newsletter archive or access to some different files or maybe PDFs, some embeds, you can also do it with Easyplayer. So you're just gonna add a new course. If you want to create a free project, then you can create it straight away from here. But also what you can do is you can make sure that you create a store product. So let's go to store and products so that people can buy this product in order to access your course material. I've created this Notion Mastery course, just added a price and published this course. And now I will be able to use this product to secure my course page. So let's now create a new course. I'm going to give it a name Notion Mastery, like my course. And now I don't have any files, any lessons just yet. So the first thing that I want to do is to add a first file. Let's give it a name, intro. Here are the file types of your lessons. So lesson can only have one file type. It can be either video or audio. It can be a file to download. It can be a PDF that will display here. You can also embed any Google document that we will render. Any embed, so for example, Figma FigJam or Miroboard or Google Maps, you can embed anything in here. You can also do just text, so you can put whatever text into your lesson, and an image. If you want to use mixed text and, for example, Google Maps and something else like an image, I recommend you selecting text, and here you can use, in this field, you can use Markdown and HTML. So you can basically use HTML to link to different things that will display in this lesson. Instead, we're just going to select video. And now we have some of the providers available. So for example, YouTube, especially if you are hosting this for free on YouTube, this is maybe a live recording, something that doesn't necessarily have to be very secure because someone can just grab the link to your YouTube and send it elsewhere. If you want it secure, you can use Vimeo. This is way more secure with the private links, or Vistia, the same, or some other file. If you just link the MP4 file that is available on the cloud, on the internet, it will be linked to this lesson. So I'm going to use YouTube here and just paste the link to some file, and I'm going to say it's 5 minutes. You can put your own duration. We won't automatically collect it, and this will be displayed here. However, you can also put whatever you want. So this can be some extra information, some metadata about the lesson. Now the description, this can also go below the lesson. So if you want to add some more information about this lesson, this particular video, or some extra, for example, exercise for students, you can add it here. Let's create this file, and now I have one lesson. I can organize those lessons, but I need more than one. So let me add maybe Notion Basics lesson. I will stick to the YouTube link that I already have, maybe 5-minute duration as well, and no description this time. But now I'm going to select a folder as well. So let's create a first header for the files list. So this is going to be, let's say, introduction. Let's create this header. And in the introduction header, I'm going to just put intro. And the other one, I'm going to do course. And now I will put it above Notion Basics. As you can see, those are now listed here, and I can easily switch between those introduction and course chapters. Of course, I can add much more files here and much more headers. So that's basically it about creating a basic course structure. Now let's go to the layout. Here you have the page title and page icon. Those will display in the browser, in the tabs of your browser. And then you have the sidebar heading. So this says file list, but I can do lessons. And then next and previous file, there you have it. So next lesson or previous lesson would be a bit more appropriate for the content that I'm creating right now. People can mark those lessons as finished, and then they will see that the lesson is finished. Now also I can change how this part behaves. So I have header that I can show or hide. I can upload my own logo here. But this is just the beginning, because I can add some items to the header as well. So if I want to add a really nice menu here, so for example, get help, I can do it like this and link it to Easy Tools, or just have a text or a link that is not a button. And additionally, I can position those items to the left or to the right. So here I have a really nice link to get some help. I can add more of those, but this is how it looks. Then I have those footer elements, and I can get rid of the footer whatsoever, or I can enable it and just link to my privacy policy and terms of service. So let's save it. And now one of the most important things, I have paywall here. Before I go to paywall, let me publish this project. So once I publish, I already have the link that I can share with my students. If I preview this link, you'll see that I'm automatically redirected to the course, and I can watch the course, I can switch through the lessons, I can mark them as done, and everything works as expected. One problem is that it's not protected in any way. So if I want to make this a paid product, what I'm going to do is go to paywall and then choose existing products. And now I can select this video course that I've created, the Notion Mastery product, in my store, and it's linked. It can be linked to one or many products. So you can sell many different products and they will have access to this player. So I'm going to just leave video course here, publish it once again, and let you preview this once more. So now, not everyone has access to this product, but only those people who bought it. And if they want to unlock the access, they have to either log in or they can buy your product. Let me quickly show you how it could work. So let's go to the dashboard, and in store, I have this video course product. What I'm going to do is share, but a link to a custom price. This way I can easily generate a $0 link to my course. Let's copy it. Now when I buy this product, I am automatically being redirected to the player that I've created, and I can watch the lessons. So this link only works for people who bought it, and my cookies allow me to get in here, but if I share it with anyone else, he won't be able to access unless he buys or have an active subscription. And this is a really smooth process. So UX-wise, it's pretty much perfect because I just clicked buy and I got into the learning experience. I didn't have to confirm my account, receive some emails. I didn't have to log in anywhere or create an account. Everything is handled automatically by EasyCart and Easyplayer. Now let's go back to EasyTools dashboard and to the courses page. So here I have my course, Notion Mastery. I can click on it to edit this course. And I want to show you student data and also styles. So let's start with student data. This is very simple for now, but in future, you will have all the students' data, their progress and ability to issue certificates straight from here. For now, what you can do is just put a webhook address to, say, a webhook that you create in Zapier or Make, and then we will send selected events to your webhook. So you can, for example, receive events about someone finished the lesson or unfinished the lesson, or maybe a unique visit that you have in your player. And when you receive it, you can pass it to whatever CRM you use, maybe Airtable, maybe a HubSpot, maybe some other provider that you use, or maybe Google Sheet if you want to just have a quick glance at what your students are doing. But basically, this is being handled for now by a webhook. Now in styles, it's very similar to what we have in any other tool. So you can choose from one of our styles, and you can also select the color theme. So you have the dark theme, the blue theme, the light blue. If you don't specifically like the themes that we created, you can always customize everything below. So you can choose the font family and colors that match your brand. That is basically it. Once you save the changes and publish them, it's now available for customers of your product. I hope that you like Easyplayer. This is very robust and versatile, yet very simple tool that lets you not only sell courses, but very different file types, PDFs, different learning experiences, archives of newsletters, of podcasts. You can even think of running a paid webinar like this. So you just add a link to this live stream, for example, on YouTube or on Vimeo, and then you create a product that is a paywall for this specific webinar that will be displayed in the player. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of possibilities here, and I really hope this simple tool will help you sell more and earn more from your clients. As you can see, launching your own educational product with Easyplayer is a piece of cake. Try it out and set up your first product now, and then check out our community and share what you are selling. See you there.